Garmin is known for its really powerful, capable smartwatches that last super long, but they've never really had a reputation for a sense of style. That might be about to change. Here at IFA 2019, the company unveiled a slew of new stylish looking smartwatches, including the brand new product line, the Venu. What stands out about the new Garmin Venu line of smartwatches is the AMOLED screen. This is a first for the company, and it enables a colorful, bright display and OS that we've never seen from the company before. The first thing I noticed about the Venu watches was this colorful watch face. Again, I wasn't expecting to see that on a Garmin device. This is a 1.2-inch display in a 43mm case, which means there's kind of a sizable bezel there, but it still is prettier than Garmin watches of old. Another thing that this colorful screen enables is better graphics on the watch face itself. So that brings about things like new animated workouts, which have been around before, but they're a lot more sophisticated looking now, and you get a better sense of what you're actually supposed to do. Garmin also added new yoga animated workouts as well as brand new Pilates tracking. So for the yoga workouts now, the Venu can also track respiration as well as stress during your session, in addition to heart rate and duration from before. Now, as a budding yogi myself, I really appreciated having these animated workouts on the watch face directly. These are preloaded too. And as for the 40 other types of exercises that you can download animated workouts for, you can just do so via the app. But be mindful that your watch might run out of space if you download too many of them. Garmin's giving the estimate of about up to 500 songs of internal storage on the Venus. That doesn't really tell us much about how much actual storage there is for the actual animated workouts, but I'm guessing it's not a lot. With the new yoga workouts, you can also create custom workouts in addition to the preloaded ones like sun salutations. You can create your own flow. Another new feature of the operating system is that when you swipe up from the bottom, there is a new health stats page. This will put all of your data like your heart rate, your body battery, which Garmin users will be familiar with, and your respiration levels on one screen. Now, speaking of respiration, the Venu is able to detect your respiration rate by looking at your pulse and calculating how much that is. With these new watches, it's also able to look at your respiration throughout the night to look out for sleep anomalies like the potential of apnea, for example. It's able to do this because it's got a bigger battery than others in its line, and with the AMOLED display, obviously battery life is a big concern, but being a Garmin watch, this device obviously will still last a very long time. In fact, up to 5 days is what the company is claiming. With GPS and music turned on though, the battery life will fall to about 6 hours plus. That's still a lot for someone who's, say, running a marathon with GPS and music both going, so not bad. Garmin also detects a lot more different things than its competitors like Fitbit, for example. So with the Venu, it's calculating things like the temperature of where you are based on your GPS position, your intensity of your workout, and doing the math to figure out how much sweat you might be losing. Because of this, it's also trying to remind you to stay hydrated. There is a hydration detection feature as well. What stands out the most to me about the new Venu watches are the availability of different styles. So there are 4 case colors available: black, gold, light sand, and rose gold. The bands are all your standard 20mm watch bands that you can swap out for whatever you prefer, but they come in silicone, leather, and other options as well. Garmin is also announcing today 2 watches that I'm personally very excited about. These are Disney collaborations, and they are Avengers watches. There is one in the style of Captain Marvel. Carol Danvers blue is the color of the strap and the face, and the other bigger watch is a Captain America themed device. That one has a brown, masculine looking leather strap with a larger watch face, and carved into the undersides of both watches are quotes that the characters are famous for. These watches themselves are based on the Vivo Active 4, so they have exactly the same features, same battery life, but they'll have exclusive animations, and for when you achieve your goals, there'll be different graphics to reward you. They also come with a spare band in the box. So if you have the brown leather strap for the Captain America one, for example, you'll also get a silicone band to swap it out for when you want to take it to the gym, for example. The Avengers themed watches will be available for $399 later this year, while the new Venu devices, depending on the kind of configuration you get it with, start at $400 as well and will be available at the end of the month. Personally, I am stoked to see Garmin bring so many different design options to its lineup because this is one of the more powerful sports and fitness tracking watches there is. But I'm sure there'll be plenty of other smartwatch competitors to see here at IFA 2019. So for more of that coverage, stay tuned to Engadget.com.